Okay, start cutting it left. There you go. That was a fender.
Yeah, fenders are gonna go bye-bye.
Keep it going, keep it going. That's what you want to do, keep it going.
Nice and easy.
I put my fingers there. Put that hand inside.
Put your hand in. Your hand.
Okay, so what I want you to do is turn to the right and back it up. Huh? It's up on the dash or down on the floorboard?
Maybe that's the shiny thing I saw. Oh yeah, probably.
Okay. Go forward, go straight. There is something quite wet. Okay, start turning right. Right? Sorry, left, sorry. Left. I didn't. You're good. Alright. Turn hard right and back up. Keep going back, yeah, back way up. Yeah, just like that. Okay, start turning to the left. Keep rocking. Okay. Going straight forward.
I'm not standing there anymore.
You know. Okay, a little bit more. Start turning left. Okay, give her a little throttle. There you go. There you go. Back up right. Just a little bit. Okay, stop.
Damn, that thing is stuffed.
Turn hard left.
I don't think his bump stops are.
No, I don't think he's got long enough.
Just turn hard left.
Yeah, he's definitely.
I mean, he was on his bumper too.
Oh, was he?
Yeah, he was touching his bumper.
So that's, I think his bottom. I looked at his bottom bump stop when he was stuffed over there, and I think it needs to be a little bit taller.
Go, go, go.
There you go. There you go.
Oh, he fell back down.
Isn't that what you were doing last year, Lee?
Yeah. I was doing a lot of fan stuff.
No, I mean, like,
It took me
you kept sliding back into that corner.
like 10, 20 minutes.
We've got a lot
It's a
of
long
licks.
time.
Right there.
Half hour maybe?
Yeah, 'cause I was
Oh yeah.
Oh, bumper.
Hit hard right, back up again.
How's your bumper hitting the rock?
and the bumper won.
Yeah, your bumper didn't show any damage.
The tire and the fender are having a war.
Look at that spring.
I know that's true.
That's
Okay, stop. Don't let up when the back comes up. That's what's shoving you to the right.
You're sliding off that rock.
Keep it back up.
Yeah.
I think you're good here. As long as you stay in it and don't let up,
It might bounce.
it'll bounce you up.
All the way over here.
That spring is maxed out.
Alright. Back up some more. Back up over there. Try and get like in between the rock and the tree.
Big drop.